is zigzag. So I turn to C. Stitch length we change to 4. Stitch width we keep on 5. We don't change that. Now see the speed. I didn't change the video speed so that you can see for yourself. So here the speed is pretty fast because it is a single stitch. It is also beautiful stitch when you are you want a design in a jiffy. Simply move your machine dial to C, that is zigzag, and get it around the neckline or around the cuff or salwar pocha or bottoms of your pants. Now the same C zigzag dial and move the stitch length to SS. Width would be same 5. See the change now. Machine speed would be slow. Don't push the fabric or don't pull the fabric from any direction. Just support it and the design would come out nicely and beautifully. But when you make embroidery designs, be sure there is no lint, no dust in the machine. Thread is neat and clear to get a design right.